My name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on analyzing data with Qlik Sense. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. In this course, you will gain the ability to correctly pick the right selection model to view and analyze your data and leverage Smart Search and the Qlik Sense cognitive engine to work with that data in your app. First, you learn the different selection models that are supported by different Qlik visualizations, including the Qlik, Lasso, Range and Legend selections. Next, you will discover how to use the associative selection model to filter out subsets of data based on the selection. You will then see how alternate states are used to allow users to make different selections on the same dimension for comparative analysis. Finally, you will round out the course by working with Smart Search, a global search tool that allows searching all data in the app from any sheet. In addition, you will master a related feature, the Insights Advisor, powered by the Qlik Sense cognitive engine, which generates visualizations based on the data in your app. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to use the selection model, Smart Search and the cognitive engine to gain insights from data in Qlik in a sophisticated and compelling manner.